According to latest reports, Dassault Aviation has signed an agreement with the Industrial Training Institute Nagpur for starting an aeronautical structure and equipment program, and the students of the Industrial Training Institute will learn to assemble and fit parts of the Rafale fighter jet and Falcon 2000 aircraft. The course will be started with 2 batches of total 42 students in 2019, and there will be a total intake of 105 students for the course. According to latest reports, BrahMos Aerospace will conduct a second test of its air-launched BrahMos supersonic system in the first week of November, which will help to demonstrate its ability to fly to a number of waypoints before reaching its final destination. BrahMos has already demonstrated an angle of about 75 degrees, and it will demonstrate its cruise diving on a target at 90 degrees angle in the next test. The top approach mode gives it the maximum capability, and 2 BrahMos cruise systems can completely sink an aircraft carrier. Astra Microwave of India and Rafael Advanced Defense Systems of Israel have inaugurated a new joint venture facility in India, which will invest in high-end technology and advanced production techniques to design, develop and manufacture state-of-the-art tactical communication systems for the Indian Armed Forces. The Astra Rafale communication system would be India's first private sector company to manufacture advanced software-defined radios in multiple variants. The joint venture firm is currently providing software-defined radios to the Indian Air Force. The Indian Navy chief has said that India requires at least 3 aircraft carriers to meet operational needs in the region, as China is projected to operate up to 10 aircraft carriers by 2049. The formal proposal to start work on the 3rd aircraft carrier have not found favor with the Defence Ministry, as the cost of construction of the carrier without the fighter jets would exceed 70,000 crore rupees. In a major strategic move, India, France and Australia have planned to create a trilateral group that would help to rebalance China in the Indo-Pacific region. The security challenges and sustainability issues in the Indo-Pacific region will be discussed in the first meeting of this initiative in France by the end of 2019. India and France will also launch a constellation of satellites for maritime surveillance in the Indian Ocean region. The French President Emmanuel Macron has urged the US President Donald Trump to lift the ban on Iranian oil sales to India. The reimposition of US sanctions has also slowed Indian projects in Iran, which is the gateway to Afghanistan, Central Asia and Eurasia. India had stopped purchasing Iranian oil from May 2019, after the US government refused to extend a 6-month waiver and introduced secondary sanctions.
Omar dropped it.